Hi, my name is Veronica Thompson. I'm the water quality manager here at the Florida Aquarium. Water quality at the Florida Aquarium is extremely important because all of our animals have different habitat requirements. For example, our giant Pacific octopus likes nice cold water, and some of our Caribbean corals prefer to have nice warm water. In addition to that, we have some gar that prefer fresh water, and then we have some cow-nose stingrays that like to be in salt water. The analytes we're principally concerned with here are pH, salinity, and temperature. In addition to those, we also monitor closely ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, and phosphate. One of the most important tests that we're able to run here at the aquarium is calcium. That one is principally important for our corals. Given that calcium is one of our most important analytes for the health of all of our corals, we've actually introduced a new team member to our water quality team. So the OMNIS has joined us, and today is the OMNIS's first full day as a water quality team member. And what the OMNIS is responsible for doing is controlling all of our titrations. So a titration is simply a chemical analysis wherein we determine the concentration of an unknown solution by using the concentration of a known solution. And the OMNIS helps us do that because it is an auto titrator with an auto sampler attached to it. All that means is that the auto titrator is going to collect the titration data for us and output a result to our technicians, and then the auto sampler is simply going to load samples into the auto titrator for us. Hand titrations tend towards being extremely difficult, and they're often misread, which leads to erroneous data, which could cause aquarists or biologists to make the wrong moves with their water chemistries. So we prefer to have the most precise and accurate data that we can possibly get, and the OMNIS helps us to achieve that. Calcium analyses are very important to our corals because the corals will actually uptake calcium from the water around them to build the cups that they live in that are part of their coral skeleton. Each of these cups is called a calyx, and each coral individual lives in each one of these calyces, and together they form the coral body that you might be familiar with. The OMNIS allows us to more accurately measure calcium in our coral habitat so that we can make sure that we're providing the highest quality of water for our corals.